Okay, try to solve this next. Number 4 minus 5i over 2i. Fractional form of the equation. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by I.
At first he said so, therefore we have
Okay?
to. Never mind.
So multiply 4i negative 5i square all over 2i square. So we have 4i minus 5 times negative 1, 2 times negative 1. So therefore, 4i minus 5 over negative 2. So we have 4i over negative 2 minus 5 over 2. But it should be the real number, it should come first because that is the form of a complex numbers. Cancelled, cancelled minus 2i. So this is the answer. Yes. What? Is 1? Negative 5 times negative 1 is? Yes, positive 5. But I forgot, wait a minute. Yeah. Negative 5. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 4i, 5 negative 1. Okay, positive 5, correct. And then, so, so it's still the same, huh? I miss only this portion. 4 over negative 2 and 5 over negative 2, that is equal to negative 5 over 2. And then this one is negative 2i. So I miss only this one. Yeah. But it's still the same answer. Any more question? Did you understand that? Huh? Did you understand? I was you have to split the fraction simplify, right? Yes. Um, actually, I arranged the fraction. This one, it should be A plus BI. So we have this one, 4 divided by negative 2, that is negative 2i. Yeah, isn't it? Did you see? Plus, you can have it negative 5 over 2 instead of this one negative 2. But the thing is, this will be the you should put this in the second part. So this will be the first part. So negative 5 over 2 minus 2i. Yeah, any more question? Yeah, did you understand how the negative and positive? Okay. Copy class. Any more question here? How about the virtual? I was confused only with the sign, but seems the answer is still correct. Okay, next, number 2. After you finish this, try to solve number 2. So you need to conjugate for this. So I will put it the conjugate na 1 minus 3i y minus 3i. This is what you call conjugate. Okay? If this is positive, the conjugate should be negative. If it is negative, it should be positive. Hmm? That is for the conjugate to eliminate the I. That is also what we use in rationalizing the radicals. Do you remember that? So, like for example, this one, 3 plus 4i, the conjugate of this is 3 minus 4i. Remember that. We will just change the sign. If this is 2 minus 3i, the conjugate is 2 plus 3i. Okay? This is just rationalizing so that we can remove the I. Okay? So yeah, try to solve it, multiply the conjugate in the numerator and denominator. Nine forty nine. Maybe I will answer first this one. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times negative 3i, negative 6i. Negative 4i times 1, negative 4i. Negative 4i times 3i, positive 12i square. Okay? So 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3i, negative 3i. t times 1, positive 3i, 3i times 3i, negative 9i squared. So if we combine this, minus 10i plus 12i squared is negative 1. And then we cancel this, negative and positive. Then 1 minus 9, negative 1, I squared. And next, negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10 minus 10i. Negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. So therefore, negative 10 minus 10i over 10. So therefore, negative 10 over 10 minus 10i over 10. So we cancel that, negative 1. We cancel that, negative I. So this is the answer, negative 1 and negative I. Any question, class? Try to study the solution. Class, if you have any question, the virtual for the solution of this, just let me know.
This is the one that we're solving, right? You get it.
And then message me if you got the answer already. Send me your answer, class. Nobody try to finish it? Oh, I am. Pauline Wilson. Where's Pauline? Okay. How about in our online students? Okay. So we have to multiply this 3, and then this one, 12i, and then this one, negative 2i, and then this one, negative 8i squared. Okay, now as you can see, we have the same first term, we have the same second term. Now we have the formula x minus y times x plus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. This is the product of the sum and difference of two binomials, which is equal to x squared minus y squared. Now, this is just a spatial product so that you can get right away the product. So we're going to use that formula, not individual multiply. We can do that only if our first term are equal and the second term are also equal. But here you cannot do that because they're not the same first term, they're not the same second term. So this one, 1 squared minus 4i squared. Or you can multiply individually, whatever you want. This is a shortcut to get the product right away. So 3, 12i minus 2i, that is positive 10i, negative 8 times negative 1. 1, and then this one is 16 I square. So 3 plus 8 is 5, 10 I over minus 16 times negative 1. 5 plus 10 I, negative 16 times negative 1, positive 16. Wait a minute. There's something wrong. 12i minus 2i, 10i, positive 8. Positive 8 plus 3 11, this is 11. Positive 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is 11. So this is 11 plus 10i over 17. 11 over 17 plus 10i over 17. So this is the answer. Class. Any question, class? Try to solve number 4, class. What do you mean of 4 plus 5i quantity square? What is the meaning of that? Multiply by itself, isn't it? That is the meaning of that. So multiply 16, 20i, 20i, 25 I square. 16, 40i, 25, negative 1, plus 40i, minus 25, 16 minus 25, that is equal to negative 9 plus 40i. That is the answer. That's the answer. Okay? So tight. 3. Now try to solve number 5. 5 minus 3i quantity cube. Dylan, you miss a little negative. Yeah, correct. You got it. If you put the negative. The other, have to multiply this. 25 negative 15i is 1, negative 15i, positive 9i square. Minus 30i That's 9, negative 1. 5 minus 3i. So 25 minus 9 is 16. Next, you have to multiply this. We're not yet finished. Maybe you can continue this. Multiply. Ian, now you got it now. Where's Ian? Virtual. Okay. So you can continue now this one, class. So 16 times 5 is 80. 16 times 3i is minus 48i. Negative 30 times this, negative 150i. Then multiply this, negative, that is positive 90i squared. So 80, then 198i, 90 times negative 1. So 90 times negative 1 is negative 90, plus 80 is negative 10. And then minus 198i. So this is the answer. Okay? Number 6. Try to solve number 6. Just like what I have here, this one. So 11 over 17 and then 10i over 17. So
That's the answer to that.
who got this answer? Who got this? Okay. Who else? Okay. How about the others? You did not get this answer? Huh? 14 over 29 plus 23i over 29. Okay, we have only 2 minutes. Does any question? Maybe I will give this solution to next meeting.